Good morning, everybody. Today I'm at this Qudra Lakes in the Qudra area of Dubai. I'm here already at around 7 a.m. in the morning. Sun is just rising there. Why I came here is to take some photograph of wildlife like birds. I'm not a professional photographer. I'm just a hobbyist photographer only. It's for my personal purpose only, and to share in the social media only. I'm taking photographs. I'm searching the best location for the birds. Here I can find some blue heron and some ducks and some flamingos only. I'll search all other places. Let's see. I'll try to show most of the birds I found. Keep watching. If you have not been subscribed to my channel till now, please subscribe it. The climate here is very chill in the morning. I think it's around 15 degree, but the surrounding is very nice. So chirping of the birds and flying birds, dogs, it's so nature, feeling nature. So nice to be here in the morning. I was taking the photograph of some birds and some dogs, mallard dogs over there. Suddenly I found one deer running in the far. So I could not take the video for that, but I took some shots of photos. It was very far. It's not that much clear, but I'll be showing in the screen. I feel so happy. Now I'm going to another place to see more birds. Here I can see limited birds only, not that much. See the surprise. I was driving and just parked the car somewhere. Suddenly this bird coming to me, and I don't know what he's asking. How you went there? Hey. What is this animal? Three. I can see. There are 3 animals. I can see 3. One here, 2 here. Now I'm almost done for the photo, and is surrounding this lake. At last, see what I can see. Surprise! See, so nice. Oh my God, so nice. Now I'm going back to home because there's a lot of wind is there and so sandy. It's so difficult to see and walk outside. So till next video, see you. Bye bye. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.